Everybody, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on creating a watermark for your photo. So I already have this created for this clothing company, Chris Allen Apparel. But I'll show you how I did that basically. So what you want is your photo, and I'm going to create a new layer. And on that layer, you're going to make a text layer. So it doesn't matter what you say. I'm just going to say new or something. And with that selected, we're going to add maybe a stroke, so it doesn't have to be that wide of a stroke, and make the stroke size smaller, and that just makes this black outline around the lettering. It's a stroke. All right. And maybe a bevel and emboss. No bevel. Okay, leave that off. All right. So now what you want to do is either change it to overlay or soft light. And so you can kind of see what's happening here. If I drag it over kind of her hair in the tree and her skin there, you can see it's see-through looking. And if I switch it to soft light, still gives you a see-through feel, but it's a little different. I don't know. They both have their own little unique look to them. But once you choose whatever one you like the most, you can adjust the opacity. I'd say keep it around like 60%, 60, 70, yeah, somewhere around there. So it's semi-see-through, but still visible. And that's why when you add these effects, you can still go back and adjust it. Same thing with the text itself. So maybe you don't like that font. So you can, select the font and skim through different ones you have available. All right. But yeah, it's a real simple way to add a watermark to your images. Just to protect them, have that extra little layer there. Add it somewhere on the bottom. Or you can do the same thing if you had a logo of some kind. You can actually, same effect. Apply the overlay, a little stroke color to it, and have your little logo somewhere on your image there. It just gives it its own little unique look and an extra layer of protection there. But yeah, this is my quick little tutorial on adding watermarks to images. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.